Welcome to this series on learning how to facet on UltraFacet S01 standard faceting machine. In this series I'll be taking you through all the steps for a piece of rough gemstone all the way to a polished gemstone. If you are interested to get updates about upcoming videos, go ahead and click the like and subscribe button. If you have any questions or like to share your knowledge, please comment below. In this video you will see performing a rough stone in two different ways. First, I turn this faceting machine into a preforming machine and use a preform wheel for preforming. And then as a usual faceting machine but using a preforming disc. You could use 360 preform wheel first and 600 secondly. Brass washer and nut used to tight the wheel firmly. On this custom-made machine, L-shaped shaft could rotate to place the jug while the machine sits on the side. For preforming we use water as a cooling liquid to prevent stone overheating and at the same time to remove the debris. Water flow adjusts with the valve to get the required amount of water flow rate. On this standard version of the machine, green button is used to turn on the machine and red button to turn off the machine. Preforming using a faceting machine ideal if you start with a single machine or don't have a preforming machine. In this method, you will see the progress clearly and which area of the stone get removed. Experience and your skills save more carats without wasting too much from the stone. The machine made its best to get a fine performance without any vibration and rapid impact on the stone. If the machine is not accurate enough, wheels go on an oval shape wasting more carats. Using a diamond disc is the second method of preforming. This method is the popular method since most of the faceting machines were not able to stand on a side. However, unlike the earlier steps, this method requires rapid inspection of the stone. You can't clearly see what's happening under the stone. Hand-on experience and skills required to save more carats. Machine made with high accuracy level to run smoothly. If not, the lap will bump side to side or up and down which will rapidly impact on the stone. And you will be out of control of your fine work resulting in more wastage. Thank you. Don't forget to comment, like, share.